very happy when I go home at the end of the day. I know I've made a big difference. I know I've contributed.
In Chautauqua County, manufacturing accounts for about 17% of the employment. Compared to a national average, that's about 9%. So manufacturing in Chautauqua County is a big, big deal. And we've got a very big footprint. I think some of that footprint relates back to the history of our county.
We manufacture diesel engines, the M11, the ISX-12, and the ISX-15, all for heavy-duty applications.
Manufacturing is a giant world of like its own individual culture. There's a lot of different aspects to it. There's every field that you can imagine in it. It's not just like making a product or putting things out there. It's actually our entire lifestyle. Everything we use is manufactured, so it's just like the largest part of our lives that nobody really recognizes. I think people think it's like a really dirty, greasy place, and it's completely opposite of that. It's actually a really clean, really safe, like high quality place.
Just about every machine that we have is computerized. It's either a touch screen or a push button. We have robots that move things, that loads the machines and unloads them.
Well, I've had a long career here at Cummins. I started in finance. I worked there for 19 years, and then I transferred over to human resources about 15 years ago. I think it's bright, and the future here in manufacturing is very good in the community.
Today, if you walk in this door, it's about $15 an hour, and it can top out for a team member assembling engines or running a machine in the low to mid-20s. Skills trainers, maintenance technicians are higher than that. So very good salaries, and hopefully attractive to bring the right kind of folks in to work in manufacturing.
We're hiring people every day. We have summer hire programs. We bring in college students. They can work the summer. That's actually how I got in here, was starting out like that, and I realized how much I loved it. And we have temporary employment with potential to be hired on, so we're constantly growing.
I enjoy waking up knowing I can come here. I like my job and what we do. It's always something different. It's never the same thing.
And we bring jobs into all of the area. We help out our communities with community service. Especially this place, Cummins, is just amazing when it comes down to that. We just donated an engine to a fire department in Fredonia, so it's, we're very, very active in the community. It's great.
Dream It, Do It provides a conduit, provides some visibility to these manufacturing careers, and the curriculums and the opportunity for learning that it provides potential employees is very key to, I think, today's success as well as our future success of manufacturing in Chautauqua County.
Peerage has done a wonderful job the past year to develop the youth, and again, like I said, in our community, going out to schools, explaining what manufacturing is, bringing students in for tours. That's what they need to know what's going on in the manufacturing environment.